Hey, it's Key, and today I'll be talking about Kalahari Water Parks Resorts in Sandusky, Ohio. Please like, share, and subscribe below. So check-in here is at 4 p.m. As you can see, the line is pretty short for it being off-season, but if you know me, like I said before, I hate lines, so I went straight to the check-in kiosk. I'll be honest, it's very user-friendly, but it asked for my credit card 3 times, and that was very aggravating. But now we're headed to the rooms. As you can see on the right hand side, you can get a glimpse of what the inside of the water park looks like, and it was very busy. So excited to see. There's a laundry room on site. As you can see, there's washers and dryers. This will be ideal for families that are staying for multiple nights. Here you have your bleach, your soap, your softeners that you can pay for just like a vending machine. Now let's see what's in room 2253. So I booked a double queen room with a balcony or patio. So let's see what it looks like. Here we have the separate wash area here, which is great because with me having the kids, some of us can be at this sink while others can be in the restroom. Let's see what they have. Coffee. No tea for me, but hey, it's good for you coffee drinkers, right? Awesome. There was both a microwave and a refrigerator, which is great because that's hard to come across. So if you purchase some things and you want to save them for later, you absolutely have that option. There's a dresser. A dining table or workstation. A fireplace, which was awesome because we came, in case you couldn't tell, in the wintertime. There was also a 40-inch TV that was mounted on a wall just above the fireplace. And then this is actually a pull-out sofa in case you had someone additional with you. This room goes up to 4 guests. And it's full safari theme, which I really enjoyed. If you're coming at a different time of the year, the air conditioning was on 69 degrees. As you can see, I got that fireplace roaring. Let's see what's at the balcony. So as you can see already, there are 2 seats already there for your enjoyment and a small table. But because it was winter in Ohio, we weren't able to enjoy it. But if you book this room, you can see the outdoor part of the water park as well. There's a zip line outside, a big water slide, and to my recollection, there's a kid area outside as well, and a jacuzzi that adults were mostly in. So you can still enjoy that aspect. Very spacious room. And then there's the bathroom. Very typical standard bathroom. Nothing unusual or out of normalcy. Now let's look at restaurants and other fun things. So there was Sortino's Italian cuisine restaurant that served wine. And then we also had Java Manjaro, where you can go in and make quick purchases throughout the day. So whether it be coffee, fruit, drinks, and then all kids will love this, right? The Candy Hut. They serve ice cream and a few other items. Downstairs, you will find another restaurant and a full open seating area. When we got there, it was pretty empty, but I'm sure in peak season, it gets pretty busy. On the lower level, you'll also find the arcade. Depending on what offers the Kalahari has at the time of your booking, they do have the ability to increase your package to include some arcade coins and tokens. So that might be something you want to take advantage of. There's an escape room. There were quite a few options here. Lots of fun to have. This is one of my favorite games, so that made me happy. Whenever I'm at an arcade, if I see the Walking Dead game, I'm playing. There was also a VR arcade area, virtual reality for those that aren't familiar with the acronym VR. There was the Indigo swimwear and accessory store in case you needed to purchase anything or forgot to pack some things. Then there was the Great Kuru Store Marketplace restaurant. That's located upstairs on the first floor near the check-in station, but it has all your basic needs, any hygiene materials, toiletries, shirts, etc. Now let's go to the water park. But before we do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Come on, y'all. I'm giving you all the tea. The least you could do is follow me. So let's go inside the water park. The kids went right away to the huge play skate area because it was very limited height requirements, but you can enjoy it, and it had slides just like you would find at a normal play skate, except there were parts of water falling down. Very enjoyable. There's always lifeguards on site. As you can see, this is another slide. And actually just below where I'm standing, there's a lazy river. So if you just want to roll around and float, that option is definitely there. For your adults that are on the trip, there are a few huts that have the options for adult beverages, as we say, such as Monsoon Saloon. And then just beyond that is a surfboard area. I was not messing with that. And now here's the wave pool. It's a standard wave pool where the bell goes off after a certain amount of time and the great luscious waves pull through. Very enjoyable for lots of people. And then there's also a toddler type area. Children 6 and under can enjoy this, and they have so many options and you can feel comfortable with them playing. Of course, adult supervision is required. As you can see, there are swings there. There are life jackets free of use at the park. They're just sitting alongside different areas of pools. And there are towels that you can get for your swimming experience. If you do not return them before you leave, there is a $20 charge for each towel. And yet another slide, and more of a seating area as well just beneath that slide, which is on the second floor. And here's another fireplace. Thanks, guys.